Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be covering a few important questions related to Amstrad Combat withdrawals. Yes, I know many of you are confused regarding this. So I'll be explaining you the complete process in detail, like how to get the airdrops, how to sell and how to withdraw that money to your bank account. Guys, the team has announced that Amstrad Combat listing will take place very soon and airdrop will be distributed in different phases. And just a day or two back, Amstrad Combat made a clear announcement like what are their plans, future plans are. They compared themselves to Satoshi Nakamoto and they wanted to remain anonymous. And they also made a statement that their team has been working in the crypto space since 2013 and we were inspired by Notcoin when creating the Telegram clicker game. And they also mentioned Notcoin airdropped more than 80 billion Notcoin tokens in May, which was worth about $1 billion at that time. In part, what Notcoin has accomplished and its popularity played an important role in creation of Amstrad Combat. So the team told that airdrops will be conducted in the month of July, which is this month, but they have not announced any official date like when they'll be giving out airdrops. But yes, they made a statement that the first set of airdrops will take place later this month of July. But this month 15 days has already been done. There's more 15 days to go. So they might conduct airdrops in the next few days or 1 week or even after 10 to 12 days. But they are telling that listing will take place in the month of July only. So let's see. Okay, the first announcement is you will be getting confirmed airdrops. The second one is you'll be getting it this month only. And the third announcement is they are also planning for a second airdrop. The game will go on and there will be a second season with a second airdrop in the next 2 years. Now, the reason why they came up with this is because once people get airdrop, they'll just sell and they'll leave. They won't sit there and keep on tapping the app and everything will come to a standstill. So the team has come up with an idea to keep users on the platform and to continue the hype. Now, once you get your airdrop, selling those Amstrad coins and withdrawing money to your bank account will not be in one simple step. Now, many people, most of them are thinking like Amstrad Comet will be sending money directly to their bank account or to their Paytm wallet. Guys, crypto doesn't work that way. Guys, there's a lot of steps involved in the middle, okay, to convert your Amstrad coins to INR. But one thing I want to point out, as soon as the token gets launched, the selling pressure will be so great, people will be dumping it left and right. It's because 95% of the people using Amstrad Combat doesn't know anything about crypto industry. They're just doing it to make something from it. So if you delay with the selling, then the less money you will make. Now, once you get airdrop, you can't directly withdraw that to your bank account. You have to do it through Ton Wallet only. Then you have to transfer it to an exchange, sell it there, and withdraw money. So there's three requirements here. First is you need a Ton wallet. Second is you need to connect your wallet to Amstrad Combat, and the third one is you need an crypto exchange. Now come on to airdrop section. Click on connect your Ton wallet. Again click on this connect your Ton wallet. Click on open wallet in Telegram. Now here if you don't have a wallet, then click on the first option or create a new wallet with the second option. It's very simple. Or you can just search for wallet on Telegram and select this first one, wallet with the check mark. And guys, please be very careful like what you find down below, okay? All those will be scams. Now click on this wallet. Click on start. Click on open wallet. Tick this box and click on continue. And guys, in the next step, it will provide you with your 24 words recovery praise. So just note it down somewhere and you're ready to go. And guys, once you create your wallet, just verify your email ID and your phone number and complete the verification process. That's it. So once you're done with connecting your wallet with Amstrad Combat, the second step is you need to add a Notcoin onto your wallet. Guys, this is very important for gas fees. Since the token will be launched on this blockchain, in order to transfer Amstrad Combat coin to any exchange, you have to have Toncoin on your wallet. So whenever you transfer, the Toncoin will get deducted as gas fees. And once you get the airdrop, you'll get a claim now button just below this option here or anywhere on this interface. And if you click on that, it will take you to your Tonkeeper wallet and you can find your airdrops there. Now the next question is how much Toncoins should you hold on your wallet? Guys, roughly 100 rupees worth of Toncoins is more than enough, but it's up to you. And in case if you don't know like where to buy Ton coins or how to transfer Ton coins from exchanges to your wallet, then let me know that in the comment section down below, okay? I'm gonna make a quick video and I'll upload it on my second channel. Okay, the fourth step is once you get Amstrad Combat airdrop, you need to transfer it to an crypto exchange. and there you can sell it and you can withdraw money directly to your bank account. Now for this step, if you are using any international exchange, then the steps are a little bit complicated because it involves P2P. But if you are using any Indian exchange, then in just one simple click, you can sell that and withdraw money directly to your bank account. Now for this, which exchange should you use? Guys, my suggestion is CoinDCX. It's the number one cryptocurrency exchange in India that supports both bank deposits and bank withdrawals. And Amstar Combat is also getting listed on this CoinDCX exchange. So the overall withdrawal process will become very simple. Guys, in the description of this video, you'll find a CoinDCX exchange link. Just click on that link and create an account now and complete the KYC process. It's very simple. And also add your bank account details so that you can sell your Amstar Combat coins and you can withdraw NR directly to your bank account. Guys, as soon as I get airdrops, I'm gonna make a video like how to sell Amstar Combat coins on CoinDCX exchange. But for that, you should keep your CoinDCX account ready. Please don't wait for the last moment. And if there's any important update regarding Amstar Combat, then I'll post it on my Telegram channel. And if you want the daily combo and cipher codes, then I'm gonna be updating everything there, okay? Guys, my Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, then drop that in the comment section down below. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now, if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.